So, you're a hardworking business owner or manager. You are smashing it day in, day out, trying to grow your business. You've tried every sales and marketing strategy in the book, yet you can't seem to acquire new customers or retain your current ones. What gives? Believe it or not, it might be the simple reason that your employees are unhappy. Fear not, all is not lost. I have got a simple solution for you. Hi folks, my name is Claire Cunningham. I am a customer service expert, founder of The Customer Connection, and I am here to help you improve your bottom line by putting the focus on your customer. Yes, we've got another one about employee experience for you today, but I cannot overemphasize how important it is to your business and your sales. Now before we go ahead, be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon so you never miss out on fresh customer content. Now you might be saying to yourself, I don't pay my employees to be happy, I pay them to do their jobs. Okay, true. If you feel that way, I encourage you to go watch this other video here about why the employee experience matters to your sales. Then ask yourself, wouldn't it be great if my team wanted to come to work every day? Wouldn't it be amazing if they were working just as hard or harder than I am to grow my business for me? Does that sound like a fantasy world? It's not. There are plenty of people out there that work really hard for businesses that they don't own. But how to achieve that is ensuring that they have a great employee experience. Employees are the backbone of your business. They're the ones who interact every day with your customers. They're the ones who make sure that your operations are running smoothly. And they're the ones that ultimately drive your sales. But if they're unhappy, unengaged, or don't believe in you as a leader, it's going to show in the way that they interact with your customers. And that is going to hurt your sales. I've got great news for you. It is not too late to turn it around. So what's the first thing that you can do to change this entire dynamic? Listen to them. L-I-S-T-E-N. And I don't mean listening to respond. I mean listening to understand. Listen to what they think makes their role really difficult. Listen to what they're passionate about. Listen to what they think that your business could be doing better. Then recognize good work when you see it. Be genuine in your praise and shout it from the rooftops. Make sure everyone knows how much you appreciate and value that person's work. Bonus tip, don't pit employees against each other. A little healthy competition is always fun, but be generous with your praise and do not favor one person over the other. Next, create an environment where people aren't afraid to fail. I could probably do a whole video on why this is so important, honestly, but this is where growth happens. Be supportive in their learning journey and empower them to make decisions that are best not only for the customer, but also for the business. They are not mutually exclusive things. And lastly, role model the behavior of a leader that you respect. Make sure you are being that person to your team members. That means getting down in the trenches with your sales team, your frontline workers. Work alongside them when the going gets tough. Talk to customers. Solve the hard problems with them. Experience your team's joy and their pain, and they will serve your customers like they are their own customers. At the end of the day, if your sales aren't growing, it could be due to a number of things. The first thing you need to take a look at is your employee experience. That could mean taking a step back and looking at the bigger picture of the culture within your organization. Is it one of growth and learning, or one of fear of failure and competition? Trust me, take care of your employees and they will take care of your business. If you found this video insightful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on fun and practical content.